Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in the past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free earn website and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this all website I will be sharing with you. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website name is Dogemate. You can see I have this much coins and I can withdraw this coin to any cryptocurrency I want. Just I go to this three dash and click withdraw, and if I want to withdraw any cryptocurrency, I can withdraw to my wallet address instantly. And I want to withdraw this one to like a Litecoin. Okay, I need Litecoin Satoshi. First of all, I click withdraw and choose the withdrawal method. I want to withdraw to my faucetpay. This is my email address of my faucetpay. The minimum withdrawal amount is this much, and I click withdraw to send me my withdrawal amount. And now you can see I didn't have any coin. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. This website send me or not. I come down and now you can see this website send me my withdrawal amount instantly to my faucetpay, and you can see I earn 50 cents of the USD dollar. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website, and bye bye for now.